Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to explain the for each method of arrays in JavaScript, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, we are on the for each method today. The for each method is a built-in method of arrays. The for each method will perform a function of our choosing for each element in our array, hence the name for each. Let's say that we have an online store and we need to calculate the total after somebody adds a bunch of items to their shopping cart. So let's say we have a variable named total, and I will assign a value of 0, and we'll create an array named cart, like shopping cart. This will just be an array of different prices of items. Let's say we have one item that is $5, another that is $6, $7, $8, and $9. What I would like to do is to create a function to add all of these different prices together to display a total that the user needs to pay. So we need to create a function to take care of that for us. Function, let's call this checkout, like the user is checking out. And there will be one parameter of element. All we'll do is take our total plus equals our element. So using the for each method, this function is going to execute a total of 5 times, once for each element in our array. So now what we need to do is to utilize this for each method, and we can do so maybe here. So type the name of your array minus cart dot and use the for each method. Within our for each method, we're going to pass in the name of a function that we would like to execute and call. This is known as a callback function. You can see that right here, callback fn for function. So when we use our callback function, we actually do not need to provide an element, an index, or the name of our array. Those are included for us. So let's use console.log to display the total. So let's add a string such as your total is $ plus total. And let's try it. Your total is $35, so I'm pretty sure that's 35, 11, 18, 26, 35. So when you pass in a function as an argument to the for each method of an array, the value, index, and array are already provided for you, so you do not need to pass them in as arguments, but you do have to list them as parameters if you plan on using them. Currently, we're only utilizing our element, also known as our value. You can rename them too if you need to. So let's say we need our index as well as our array. We can just list them as parameters then, but we do not need to pass them in as arguments since this is a callback function that we're passing as an argument. So if you need your index or array for anything, you can just write that within your function body. So that is the for each method. It performs a function for each element in an array. If you would like a copy of this code, as always, I'll post this in the comments section down below. But yeah, that is the for each method of arrays in JavaScript.